In this question, we are asked to make A the subject of the formula. So let's check. I always highlight what I'm trying to isolate. So I'm trying to isolate A, and A is just multiplied by R to the power of something. So because A is multiplied by that, we can divide both sides by R to the power of n minus 1. The opposite of multiply is divide. So I'm dividing here. I must also divide there. Right. And then we're going to cancel R to the power n minus 1 on the right because they are the same. And then we're going to have Tn over R to the power n minus 1 equals to A. And that is our A being isolated, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.